Welcome. In this series, we'll talk about the major developments in Down to Earth. The very first story talks about the industrial strike that happened in the regions of Gurgaon, Manesar, and Faridabad. One of the major reasons that was the protest that happened was because of the rising food prices, inflation, and the wages below the normal. And this had seriously impacted the working conditions of the individual. Even with the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, that had been a disruption in the petroleum supply, making the inflation cost and the cost of cooking gas further higher. Now, some of the major issues that had been brought included the contract laborers, which was the act of 1970 that actually talked about bringing in more contract laborers. There was a period from 2004 to 2014 which actually saw an increase in the number of non-farm jobs, and it rose to nearly 7.5 million jobs per year. However, with the disruptions that happened in the recent years, that was because of the GST issues, because of the lockdowns in the pandemic, and the unorganized and MSME sectors working, the real wages stagnated post 2014, and even the corporate profits were actually rising. Now, this all brought a kind of K-shaped growth. Now, this growth was one of the reasons that there was a huge revolt among the people, which actually turned out into this kind of things that mainly focused on issues which included the working conditions, the weak provident fund systems, the higher number of working hours without overtime payments which were made to them, and those were some of the real reasons that led to the disruptions. In the next section, we'll talk about the climate and the related events which were covered in Down to Earth. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining.